Xiaomi products haven't just lost their Mi naming convention. An alleged leak suggests the Xiaomi 12, the rumored successor to the Mi 11 Ultra, might also lose the secondary rear screen. If that is the case, then we don't need to see it as a bad thing, because the Mi 11 Ultra was a big hit in China, but I found the overly bulky handset to be a big miss, and we'll talk more about that in this video. Hey yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Tech back with another video, and today guys, in this video we're gonna talk about the Xiaomi 12 Ultra, and we're gonna talk about the rear screen. I know this could be the first smartphone to have Snapdragon 898. So anyways guys, before we go into this video, can we hit some likes on this video? Just hit it, just do it, just smash it. So anyways guys, let's get into this video. The Xiaomi 12 Ultra could be a big turning point for the series. The device is said to still go all out on camera front, with a standard of 5 pieces rear setup included a main 50 megapixel Samsung GN5 sensor. Beyond that, however, the Xiaomi 12 could be among the very first handset to receive Qualcomm's Snapdragon 898 platform, the company's top-tier 2021 processor. There's a rumor that Qualcomm may rebrand its product too, with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 being suggested, something that I'll find out about in more details at Qualcomm Snapdragon Tech Summit in late December. The introduction of the platform is to inform, as it's expected to bring new capabilities in various departments, included for the cameras. That's why there's a built-in suggestion that a 200 megapixel camera could be found in the Xiaomi 12 Ultra, but at this time that rumor seems very unlikely. The combined camera resolution will exceed that thought to be 48 megapixel offerings, giving the Xiaomi 12 Ultra a heap of zoom potential, though it's 2 times and 5 times, and they also 10 times lens. The fifth is an ultra wide lens. Whether the Xiaomi 12 Ultra will arrive outside of China, it is up for question at 3 moments, but I'd expect that late down in December will reveal a lot more details, and then I can see how much of that is also true. So anyways guys, we've come to the end of our video today. Let me know down in the comment section, are you guys surprised of this Snapdragon 898? Would you actually get this Xiaomi when it comes out? Let me know down in the comment section. So anyways guys, it's me, your boy Tech. Peace out.